Hi folks, Mark here, views from Mark as always. I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and well. You join me from Globe-Trotter here in the heart of central London in London's iconic Burlington Arcade, and I've got a bit of a life update. So I'm actually going to be looking to go back into a corporate office environment setting, starting a new job this coming Monday at the time of recording this. And whilst I'm very excited, I'm very nervous at the same time, as I'm sure you can imagine, because I've been out the game for a little bit of time now, health and what have you, and COVID and everything else, but it's going to be great to get back into that working environment. And it got me thinking, going back into this work environment, I want something in terms of work bag, something that I can take with me that I'm going to use every day going into the office, and something that's going to both reflect me as a person, my love of James Bond, as you know. Globe-Trotter seems like a classic, obvious choice to me. So I'm in the arcade today, I'm in Globe-Trotter's flagship store. I'm going to have a look at a few different options and see what takes my eye. But I think I'm going to lean towards an attaché case. That seems to be the obvious choice for a work type bag that you can use every day. They have a wonderful line of attaché cases, as you probably already know. So I'm going to have a look at a few of them, probably decide on something today. So let's see what we have. So whilst I love this, I don't think I'll fit a laptop in that. So the search continues. Wonderful line of cases, as always, on display from Globe-Trotter. We've got several attaché case options here. This kind of burnt orange is beautiful, really nice. And then we have, as we come along, there is a smaller kind of attaché case up here in this grey. Looks absolutely stunning, but do you know what? I think I have seen something. I think I know what I'm going to go for. So, yeah. So folks, you can see I'm joined by someone very special today. This is Lilly. Let me introduce you for the first time. Lilly, welcome. Thank you for joining me on the channel. Now, you've been a fantastic support over the years that I've been coming into Globe-Trotter, and you gave me great advice when it came to getting my No Time to Die carry-on case. I've come in, I've explained to you what I'm doing, going back to work again, office environment, wanting something rather special to kind of not make a statement, but kind of know that I'm going in with purpose and something that's going to be bold and fitting for the office environment. You've got several options that are available, but you have something, I think, that we've come to today that I think
that should do the trick for you.
I think so. I can't thank you enough for your advice, your guidance and your help in selecting this. I'm going to grab this, head home folks, and we're going to do an unboxing and you'll see what's in the box. Right folks, so it's the following day. I'm back home now. You may be able to hear some rain on the roof, so if you do, apologies for that, but I wanted to get straight to this unboxing. As you can see, Globe-Trotter really did me a solid. They packaged the case up, whatever this may be, very nicely. Some lovely tissue paper. Obviously it comes in their lovely Globe-Trotter bags, so without further ado, we're just going to jump straight to it. We'll take off the ribbon at the top. Now there is some tissue paper on top here, just to kind of make it a bit more special, I suppose. And inside here we then have this case, which I will put to one side here. It's a fairly indescript brown box, but yeah, it should be absolutely perfect. So let's get to it and see what's inside. I have a trusty knife, of course. So I want to say a massive thank you to Lilly and to everyone at Globe-Trotter. As you will have seen, I'm a customer of theirs, but their service is always top notch, and they've really kind of looked after me in this case. When they heard I was heading back into a corporate environment, they were very excited for me, and they knew that I'd had my eye on different cases, and certainly this one was a contender for well over a year. I've kind of been admiring it, so yeah, they were really pleased once I had this new work opportunity come up, and they knew that I wanted to go for something a little bit more special to take as a work bag for everyday use in the office. And let's see what we have here. So I'm going to try and present this to you guys so you get a first view as much as possible. One thing you'll see straight away as I slide out the contents of this box is that there is a canvas bag. Now this is a new addition for Globe-Trotter. Oh wow. I've not actually seen one of these myself in person. These are a new addition for Globe-Trotter, and these will come with newly purchased cases. A lovely canvas, kind of linen, dust cover bag. Just got some cardboard on here. Dust cover bag, so that when you're not using, say, your carry-on size or your check-in size luggage or your attaché case for whatever reason, I mean, if you're going to be using it for work as I am, it's going to be getting regular use. They are going to come in this lovely canvas bag, which you can then use as a dust protector. It's beautifully wrapped up, actually. If I turn this around and give you guys a view, really, really nice. This is going to be really handy, I think, if you have check-in size or carry-on size luggage as well, just to kind of keep your cases and your bags pristine and clean for when they're not getting much use. So, I know you're all wondering, what's in the bag? What did I go for? So, again, I'm going to have this facing you guys, and you'll soon get a view of the colour, I'm sure. And there you can see I have gone for the No Time to Die attaché case to kind of match with the No Time to Die carry-on that I got from them a couple of years ago now. And this is really nice, actually, having this canvas dust protector as well. It's a slight snug fit, but that's great. As we slide this off, it's a really nice bag. I'm just going to show you that. Really nice, lovely addition. So all new purchases will come with one of these, and I think that's a really nice addition. So here we have it, guys. This is what I went for. This is what Globe-Trotter have helped me kind of get ready for going back into the corporate office environment. The No Time to Die attaché case special edition. You've got the plaque on the front here. There's still the bubble wrap, obviously, on the handle. And if I flip this round, you can see on the foot pads on the bottom, there's also some protectors on there. So what I'm going to do is jump straight in and take these off. So it's lovely that when your case or your attaché or whatever it may be is shipped, they are fully protected, beautifully wrapped, beautifully packaged, nice and secure, so you know that your case or your luggage is going to arrive in pristine condition. So take this off. There we go, that's the foot plates done. If I slide this around, I'm just looking myself now. This is, yeah, really, really lovely, really special. And it's great as well having this plaque at the top here. This denotes, this is the only external, outward facing, shall we say, piece of the case that would suggest it is something slightly different, and certainly that it would suggest it's a Bond related case, because there is this plaque, and it is the 007 Globe-Trotter Suitcase Company Limited, England, 1897, and it has the production number for this attaché case. So this is number 1397. So that is lovely. Of course, there's going to be all of the protector on here. I shall try, whilst I'm on camera, very carefully to take off the protector on the handle. So there we have it. So let's open it up and have a look inside, shall we? 2 catches, wonderful sound, and then opening up, we have this lovely attaché. We have a set of keys, obviously for the locks, which also will fit your carry-on size luggage. We have this folio inside, which does secure to the lid. We have an envelope as well. Let's have a look, see what this is. As you get with your luggage cases, whether that's carry-on or full-size check-in, you get a compliments card, and this is basically gives you some details around the case, the guarantee, the craftsmanship that's gone into it. It also gives you a care guide, so how to look after your case or your attaché, what have you. And it also gives you their promise, that's like their warranty as well. So it's well worth keeping this in a safe place. It's just a nice touch and addition to what comes in your brand new Globe-Trotter case. So pop that back there. So inside here, obviously it's an attaché case, briefcase, whatever you want to call it. The leather in this folio section smells absolutely incredible. We have a beautiful folio. Inside, these have poppers, which you can unclip. And then there's another set of poppers down at the bottom here. So you can actually pop out this folio section like this. So you can choose to use this or not. I'll keep this in because I'm going to have notebooks, folders, I'm going to have paperwork and documents for this job that I'm going into. That's going to be very, important to keep that together. That will do a beautiful job. And also on the inside there is a secondary plaque that is also the production number or the serial number for this particular case. So that's also in there, as well as I mentioned, your keys. So say you wanted to include the folio, all you would do is pop this in. And what I will do is I will do this live, and I will try not to edit this out. So we pop one side, second side, and then up at the top here, you have these two leather straps, also with poppers, that pop on, 1 and 2, and that gives you this beautiful folio in the top. Lovely case for work. Put your laptop in here, your notebooks, your pens, whatever you may have. It's going to be an ideal companion for the office environment. Globe-Trotter's No Time to Die Attaché case. They also do a wonderful line of other Bond-related cases. So you've got Skyfall, you've got Spectre, you've got a Dr. No case, which has some dots, the classic Dr. No dots on, which is wonderful as well. Close that down, and then of course, you push that down, and your catches lock like so. And that is the No Time to Die Attaché case. And I'm going to peel off the cellophane from the plaque so you guys can get a view of that as well. So there we have it. That is the No Time to Die case. A massive thank you once again to Globe-Trotter, to Lilly, to all the team at their Burlington Arcade store who were wonderful in helping me get hold of one of these amazing cases. It's going to be the perfect companion for going back into the work environment, for having my documents, my work laptop, all of that stuff within a very stylish case, I think it's fair to say. Something that's going to be quite different. You don't see many of these around, I think it's fair to say. So this is going to be a lovely companion to going back into the work environment. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do consider giving it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so you get a notice whenever I post something new. But once again, thanks to Globe-Trotter, and until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. I'll catch you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.